Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3.4 beginners tutorial. In this video we're going to go over something called continue. Continue is similar to break, as it's something that's used in a loop just like break was, but if you remember from a previous video, break completely broke you out of the loop and stopped the loop from doing what it was doing. Continue will prevent the loop from doing something but will allow it to continue doing what it was. So let me show you. If I go numbers equals 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, oops, and we'll go to 11. Now if I go for n in range, I will do 0 to 11. And if I go if n in numbers continue, print n. See what that does. Okay, it goes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let me explain to you why we got that output. So up here the numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And you'll notice none of those numbers are over here in the output. And the reason for that is we basically say in this line right here, for n in range 0, 11, it tells it count from 0 to 11. This one is saying if n in numbers, so if n equals any of these, so as it's looping through, if it gets to 1, then just continue, don't do anything. If it gets to 3, just continue, don't do anything. If it gets to 5, and so on and so forth. However, if it's not in numbers, so like 0, 2, 4 isn't in here, it's going to bypass continue. It's just going to go right to print n right here. So that's why you got this output, because every time n equals one of these numbers, it just continues. So basically it says, okay, don't do anything but continue through the loop. So then it goes back around, checks the next number. Okay, well that's not, if n is not in here, so let's print it out right here. Okay, go back through. Oh, yep, it's in here, so just continue. Go back through. And that's what this does. So continue, it basically does exactly what it says. It continues the loop. So just mess with this a little bit. Try different things. You know, you can do even numbers. In this case, we made it so that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 printed. This is a good way to do that if you wanted to print even numbers from 2 to 10. You know, maybe now do odd numbers on your own. Just mess with it. Give it a try. One thing I will show you, let's say I go here like this. I hit tab, now I hit play. Sometimes when you do that, depending on Python, like if I go here, you'll see I get an error. Python is very specific with its indentation. So what's nice about PyCharm is it generally indents for you correctly. But if you ever doing this and you run it and for some reason you get no output, it says everything's okay, but you get no output, it could simply be an indentation thing. Or if you get an error like that, it could simply be an indentation thing. So I would challenge you to, you know, double check and make sure you know, your indentations are correct. See, and here it told me, and it'll tell you right here on line 3. So I go to line 3, indentation error, unexpected indent, and it's telling me that. So that's all that would mean. I just put that back there and run it, and you're good to go. All right, just a little tip that I wanted to throw in there at the end. You know, something you can look for that hopefully will help you as you continue to program in Python. All right, it was great having you here, and I'll see you in the next video.